Welcome to BuySpares. How to replace a Hotpoint washing machine door seal. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If the door seal on your washing machine is damaged, leaking, or just full of mould, this video will show you how to replace it. We will start by taking the top off the machine to identify the type of band. This machine has a retaining band that requires the front panel to be removed. Take the soap drawer out. There are now 4 screws holding the control panel on. Lift to one side. We need to remove the outer retaining band located here. Use a flat blade screwdriver to carefully lift off the band. Lift the door seal away and tuck inside the drum. Unclip the kick panel and take the screws off in the front panel. Move the panel to one side and unclip the connection on the door lock. Use a flat blade to push in between the clip of the retaining band and the teeth at the top to release. This can be fiddly, so be careful. With the band removed, pull the seal towards you to lift it away. When fitting a new door seal, it's always a good idea to put some lubricant around the inner lip, in this case washing up liquid. The door seal should have indicating marks, in this case a triangle at the top and holes at the bottom. We can refit the door seal. Push this clip through to release the other side and fit the retaining band back around the seal. When refitting, you will need 2 screwdrivers to push the clips together. Insert one in each clip and pull the screwdrivers together, which will tighten the band. If you need to tighten it further, then use some grips to pull the screwdrivers. Reattach the door lock and refit the front panel before refitting the control panel and lid. can now fit the outer piece of the door seal around the outer rim of the machine. You may need a little bit of washing up liquid, which will really help with this. Once the seal is in position, just reattach the outer retaining band to finish. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.